So we are now for shopping.
Because we are leaving Delhi and we need something healthy because going to new city is very difficult to find food. Especially I struggle in finding quality foods. And yes, see my new hairstyle.
I will show. Okay. So this hairstyle is inspired by whom?
I don't know whom because it's a very low maintenance hairstyle. I don't want to do something, so I did this.
Have you guys tried this? This is something Korean chicken.
No, I
Sorry, I'm a
haven't
vegetarian. I cannot try this. That's the problem. Guys, this section is not for us because I cannot take this or I cannot take any type of juices. They all are containing a lot of sugar, so I cannot take. So we should go to another section, right?
Yeah. We should move to another section. Oh, yippee. I remember during my 11th, 12th class, I used to eat this, but I don't eat noodles. I don't eat any noodles.
Because you're dietitians, you know.
Yeah. I'm a very different person. Anyone will feel very awkward and bored if they start living with me, and I made my sister also like me. So she's also very picky in finding foods and all this thing.
So this is for my cute little Pechi. I will take this. Her food, definitely. I'm here for her food only.
Yeah, we are taking this. Okay, and next thing is that as we are moving, I need this for kitchen seasoning, right? I don't need such big pickles because it's very difficult to carry, especially. I don't need these all chips and leaves and all these things, so this is nothing for me. Wait, I do have makhana in my home, so I will carry that. And what's that? Kurkure. Kurkure.
Okay, Panjali and Mitakshi, do you remember when we were studying BNC? We used to go in 24/7 and we used to buy these. And it's our favorite, I think. And so many flavors, right? Every time we go and every time we try different flavors.
Yeah.
It's a memory, you know.
Yeah, it's quite nostalgia to think about our past times. It's so sweet. जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें हम वो सब लेंगे जैसे कि सीजनिंग के लिए हो गया. ओके. एंड पिकल्स लेना ज़रूरी है इतना बड़ा करे
I
क्या?
love pickles. Without
But-
pickles, I can't live.
बट इतना बड़ा का क्या करे क्या?
Yeah.
इतना
That's
बड़ा
also
नहीं ले
question.
पाएंगे, थोड़ा सा छोटा लेना होगा. तेल नहीं लेंगे, तेल तो वहाँ पे भी अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. नहीं, मैं लास्ट 1 साल से मैगी नहीं खाई. यस. Many people will get offended. So yeah, I left Maggie. ये सब क्या है? Okay, these all are.
We don't have
dog-
any pets.
We do have
You.
Peachy for my Peachy.
Yeah, but it's for dog. Oh, we got it for Peachy something. Peachy!
Okay. No, nothing from this section.
So I'm here after a long time. Yeah, last time I came here for Gurudwara. It's Gurupurab. I just came here for a few minutes and I just go to Gurudwara. We both. And again we came here today for something shopping. It's 12 p.m. No, 12. It's 2 p.m. And I'm feeling extremely cold. I don't know, for the first time it's happening. I'm feeling cold in Delhi. Believe me, if I live in Delhi for so many years, whether it's Jan or Feb, it doesn't matter to me. I never ever wear cap. But now it's November and I'm wearing cap. Oh my god. So I can predict in Jan, Feb, how much cold it will be. What I'm saying, this bag is gifted by my mom. So at March, and I love this. So you know, during in shoot, we need a long, big bags where we need to keep a lot of things, heels, shoes, a lot. So earlier I used to use leather bag, but my bag size was small. But this is crochet bag, and
You know
it
what?
can contain a lot of items.
I always use school bag. The school bag, you know, laptop
I
bag.
remember when you go for casting,
Yeah.
and she take school bag, but not only heard there are a lot of people.
Yeah, this is the best. I'm telling you, this is very handy, easy to carry. And from a professional model, I'm giving you advice. Carry school bag, college bag, whatever. Those bags which have two hand strap, not these type of. These type of bag, no. School bag is the best bag. Carry
If you're
bag.
carrying a lot of items.
Yes, because we have to carry heels, lotions, and also dress. Like not dress, like it's like a basic wears.
So where we have to go? Adjust.
She told me that we have to take this way, yeah, this ground.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the metro only. It's like under there.
So till now we are going in a wrong path. You know, guys, actually we guys are stopped vlogging. Earlier I used to vlog a lot of where I used to go, and in these few months I visited so many new cities, places. Still I haven't vlogged any. Even fashion week, all the fashion weeks I visited, but I had never made any vlog there. So I'm thinking to restart my vlogging once again.
Do happen, and there may be some reason we stopped doing vlogging and all this thing. And yes, we visited so many beautiful places in the past few months, but we haven't captured, like documented those as in such a vlog manner.
Recently I visited Bangalore airport in India. It's really amazing. Oh my god.
Not only airport, the whole of Bangalore city. Yeah.
I will visit again,
Just a second,
and
let me spot
I
metro.
will make a vlog once again. I think that path we are having a metro. You should ask a local.
Yeah, I should ask from a local shopkeeper.
Hey, do you know the location? Can you open Google Map? I forget the location because this place is so famous. Actually, I forget it.
These are handmade, I think, but these are lovely. Oh my god, the collection is amazing. Today is Wednesday and it's too crowded. Oh my god, and it's afternoon. The crowd is a lot. And thanks for watching.